morning, guys. That broke. Good morning, guys. I'm Zach from TERRORIZED Media. There's my cat. Run, Diego!
Run.
He's very cute. He also has a little bit of a damaged hip though. But anyway, he's adorable. Let me walk a little bit away from my car so you can actually hear me. So, why is my voice breaking today? Oh my word. So, today's video is slightly different. Firstly, I want to thank my girlfriend for getting me this cool, like, death punk shirt. It's got a skull coming out of another skull. How cool is that? That's like totally metal.
This is so wizard, Annie.
Today's video is a little bit different. We are not going to my dad's shop as per normal during the week. We're actually going to go past Callum's shop. And I know you all probably familiar with Callum. Well, he's opened up his own tuning shop, customs shop, if you will. He specializes in JDM, but does pretty much anything anyway. And yeah, we're gonna go past, see what's what. We have a bit to discuss with him. We've got my exhaust to discuss. Obviously all the fiberglass bits that I've been planning out of cardboard, which I forgot at the shop because I'm a dum-dum. We've got a fair amount to discuss. He might be giving me a ride in his turbo Miata, which is going to be super cool. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll probably cut forward to when we're there. So here we go. Okay guys, we have made it to Callum's shop. As you can see, my car is parked up. We have my hood open as well because we were busy discussing my whole exhaust system. I've actually spent like the past hour running around with Callum. He was showing me here everything at his shop and stuff. Discussing my exhaust. Yeah. We've got some really cool, wait, let me show you. We've got some really cool like drift cars and stuff here. So majority of the cars they have here are like 350Zs, but so this one's undercovers, but I mean they're all like fully built drift cars. Some of them are LS swapped. Super cool. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. We're gonna go inside now, maybe speak to Callum, see some of the other drift cars. I'm probably gonna do some like short cinematics of the cars and stuff, and then yeah, here we go. Alright guys, and now we are here with Callum again. But this is the subject of today's matter. This is Callum's Miata. This used to be Andrew's Miata, if you guys remember from, what was it, like episode 2 of Rate My Ride. This is literally the second video I ever made, I think. I featured this car. Since then, a fair bit's been done to it. Callum's gonna run us through it now, but I mean, just have a look at this thing. Like, oh shit. Oh, Callum definitely knows how to take care of his cars. So Callum, I don't know if you want to run us down. What's done? What's
so yeah,
like,
the big work was done. You would have seen it in your last video. The turbo conversion is the big one. So running about 0.5, 0.6 bar boost. So not big boost, but enough to make a significant difference in this. Completely resprayed in original color, so it looks nice and new. Yeah, since then I've done a few upgrades. I've upped the boost a little, a bit more tuning and suspension upgrades, so it's running Coney shocks and tying springs, so it's a little lower, handles a bit better.
Fitment, my dude.
So, and a few small little tweaks and upgrades and stuff like that, just keeping it nice and classy.
Cool. Cool. No, Callum definitely knows. firstly, how to cherry pick his cars when he gets new cars, and then secondly, like, damn, how to take care of them when they, when he's got them. So there's something very special about this one. This is a, how do you say the name again? Unos. Yeah, there we go. Unos. There we go. Zoom in on the badge for dramatic effect. So it's actually a original Jap spec. Yeah, original Jap spec. So this car was originally from Japan. Then when Andrew still had the car, he used to live in the UK. He imported it to the UK. Then he imported it to South Africa when he moved to South Africa. And then when he was moving back to the UK, well, Mr. Callum bought it.
Yeah, unfortunately you couldn't take it with him back to the UK, so having worked on the car and built it with him for the past few years, I'd fallen in love with the car, so I was lucky enough to buy it.
It's hard not to fall in love with these cars. So he's got obviously the turbo kit, like you were saying, obviously a custom exhaust, these very fancy wheels. Interior wise, it's all pretty much the fancy Jap spec, so it's got its very fancy steering wheel, it's got its custom dash, which looks gorgeous, custom shift knob and shift boot and stuff, fancy roll bar, got the full setup here, guys. It's so cool. But yeah, oh yeah, it actually also has this little stiffening bar, I guess.
Yeah, they're chassis stiffeners, basically.
Yeah, and apparently that's stock on the Jap spec.
Yeah, so on this Unos, it's also the S Special, which was one of the most limited edition ones they ever made. So it comes with chassis stiffening, the roll bar, limited slip diff, which is awesome. It came with upgraded suspension, slightly better ECU, and just all around tweaked, a little more sporty.
I'm very jealous. And then engine bay wise, this is where this thing really shines. Cause, oh shit. Yeah, no, it's got the anti-roll bar? Stiffening bar?
Sway bar, yeah.
Sway bar thing.
Strut brace.
Strut brace. Obviously the turbo, of which is tiny now that I look at it, but like tiny turbos on these still do a crap ton of boost. So, yeah, no, I don't know. Callum, this thing is absolutely stunning. I love it. And he says for future plans he's looking at doing a body kit. For right now he's got this little lip. I don't know if you could see it there. The sun's kind of on my screen so I can see it. But he's got a little bit of a front lip, but and this is actually his shop. So his money's currently preoccupied, but yeah, no, he's busy tweaking up his cars as he goes, and he does plan to do a body kit for this at some point.
Yeah.
So I'm going to see if I can persuade him to do the Nerdworks kit. But yeah, alright, well, in the next clip you guys are going to see, I'm probably going to be crapping myself because Callum's going to take me a ride in this thing. And the fastest car that I've ever been in is technically my Miata. I've sat in a lot of fancy cars, I've sat in Lamborghinis and McLarens and stuff, but I've never been driven any fast cars. Fastest thing I've driven is my mom's BMW when she still had that, and that was still like really slow. It was maybe this much faster than my Miata. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, we're just letting it warm up, but already just by idling I'm like, oh shit. Ooh, you can feel your clutch is aggressive.
It's a button clutch, so it's really harsh. It's not terrible, but it's a bit on the harsh side.
Is it worse than your 300? I assume not.
It actually is worse because my 300 is a very fancy, expensive Clutch Masters clutch.
Oh.
This is a 4-puck button clutch, so a lot more budget friendly, but it's a little more harsh on the pull off and stuff, but it's still manageable, comfortable enough.
Oh no, Callum, I'm dying right now. This is, I want so bad. Oh my dude, this is so cool.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my fuck! Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay.
So it goes.
Okay, yes, definitely the fastest car I've ever been in. Oh shit. Okay. My dude, I'm. Oh. Oh shit.
Bit of wheel spin.
Yeah, I was gonna say we just wheel spun all of that. Oh shit. Oh, Callum, I've got goosebumps, mate.
It's so much fun. It's like a turbocharged go-kart.
Oh, dude. I'm speechless. I actually don't know what to say. Oh, although I have to admit, this is probably the biggest smile I've ever had in like such a long time. Oh, I've even got a little bit of chest pain. Do I need to check my pulses? I'm good. Oh shit, Callum. Like I don't even know how to describe this right now. Yeah, wait, I'll get some money shifts for the vlog. Woo! Ah, that's a truck! Oh no! Oh, Callum. Oh no! My dude.
There's a bit too much traffic to really open it up at the moment, but you get the idea. It's so much fun. And it's not ridiculous horsepower, but
No, it's not like you see a lot of these like cars and stuff. It's like
but it's just because it's such a small light car that it
no,
just goes.
like you move. Oh, and the bumps. Oh my shit, Callum. Oh, dude. I want to say it's not terrifying, but it is scary. Like it's scary in terms of like, especially when you start slipping up. Like it's like okay, shit. But in terms of just like when you start actually accelerating, but you have grip and whatever, it's actually not that scary. Like it's what you'd expect.
Yeah, it's very controllable. That's the one nice thing that the limited slip diff really improves on. So a lot of guys who keep it with a stock open diff, I mean, they'll just burn one tire. So
they would land up being me, but
but with the diff, the grip is far better. When it loses grip, it's far more manageable and controllable. So you can drift it and slide it around, and it's very predictable.
Oh my word, Callum.
So that is a boosted Miata.
That is a boosted Miata that I've never felt before, and now I'm mildly shaking and I want one. Oh my word, dude. Alright. Okay guys, and that's kind of it for today. Callum's successfully scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, that was fun.
He's very excited to see my reaction on camera now. We've discussed my car, we've discussed the exhaust and stuff. I actually mentioned to him that I may want to do the turbo kit before that, but we'll have to see. I'm probably going to be back here reasonably soon because we got to discuss my body kit, and I'll have to bring in the cardboard cutouts for the templates and stuff. So yeah, I guess we're gonna see Callum again soon.
Yeah, we've got some really cool ideas going, so I think between the two of us we can make something very special.
Yeah. So there we go. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it, hit the like, leave a comment. And if you enjoyed watching me absolutely crap myself in a 200 wheel?
I'll probably 200 crank.
Okay, 200 crank Miata. Let me know. Yeah. Maybe for another video we can do a how much scary as a 600 horsepower 300Z.
That can be arranged.
Yeah. So there we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Cheers.